To resolve the issue of missing GPedit.msc or the group policy editor not being found, start by downloading a specific file. The download link can be found in the description. After downloading, right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes when prompted. The installation process may take a few minutes, so be patient. The tool will install everything necessary to enable GPedit.msc on the system. Once the installation is complete, it will prompt you to press any key to continue. Do so to finish the process. Next, try to open the group policy editor to verify if it works. If it doesn't open right away, restart the computer to ensure the changes are applied correctly. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.